Hey guys, what is up? RedPandaMining here. How you guys all doing? I hope you're all doing really well and having a really great day. In this video, welcome to part 5 of essentially trying to get my crypto mining studio up and running. And yeah, I have been procrastinating getting this room ready. I've just had a bunch of different projects come up recently, so I had to work on that. So I have my mind set on a Ikea table, and it's not just any regular desk. It's gonna be a custom kitchen countertop with custom legs and a pole in the middle. You guys may have seen those kind of videos on Linus Tech Tips or Random Frank P. People have been making videos of their desk setups, and I've been watching all those kind of videos, and I am going to bite the bullet and put a huge long table over here. So I'm gonna do that today in this video. I'm gonna go to Ikea, pick up all the required parts. And now you guys may see this triple monitor stand here. So I've actually had this since 2009. I believe this is a XFX branded 3 monitor setup here. I used to have 3 24-inch monitors on this, essentially acting like one of those widescreen monitors, and the resolution was 760 by 1080 or something stupid. But my plan for this is to put a 27-inch monitor in the front and 2 24 or 23-inch monitors on the side, vertical, okay? So I want to do vertical reading monitors on the left and right of my main 27-inch monitor, and I'm not sure which monitors I want to get yet, but that'll be down the road. Okay, but anyways, I don't want to waste any time. I need to go to Ikea and basically put the table here, build it, all that stuff, so it's actually going to be a lot of work. So I'll be right back with the Ikea table. Oh man, I'm sweating balls right now, guys. It's extremely hot. Okay, I have the table here, and man, it was an adventure going to Ikea. There was a lineup of people. Had to wait 30 minutes. Got inside, finally. I got some food. Probably the only best thing about going to Ikea is the food. And then I went and saw some tables, okay? So I had some options, but I was looking at some regular computer desks, but those are boring. I saw a dining table. I thought that was pretty cool, but way too big, way too big. And then I saw this table, okay? Well, I've been looking at it online, and I fell in love with this table, the Carl B table. And I think it's a pretty nice looking table. This is not the top, by the way, this is the bottom, okay? So actually looks like that, all right? But you guys will see soon what it looks like when I have it turned around. So I have to measure the legs, and I'm planning on putting this table on that wall here. I may try it on this wall or this wall just to get a feel how this room will feel afterwards. You guys can see Space Goat's computer that he sent me. I still can't believe he sent me that, but that should look pretty cool on this desk. But you guys can see here, I do have 2 different legs here. I totally forgot the names, but they're in the links in the description down below if you guys want to see which ones I got on Ikea, as well as the desk. And I also have this one. This is just a middle piece for the center of the desk, just so it can hold it up because it's way too long. If I were to have just these legs, then I would have to put them closer together so the table won't bend. But I'm planning on putting the legs a bit more further out there and one over there, and then I'm gonna have this center adjustable piece in the center, okay, essentially. And then I have a little cable management thing. I forgot what this is called, but this is gonna go under the desk. And I also bought this for the curtains for my window there. I'm not sure if this is gonna work or not, but I may have to do some cutting or sewing or something. I'm gonna do that off camera. Anyways, I'm sweating a lot right now. It's a super hot day outside. It's 100 plus 100 F right now. And in my crypto mining basement, you guys saw the temperatures. It's 98, 99, pretty much 100 F still. And hopefully I can change out that fan once I get that exhaust fan. Oh man, this thing was really heavy. This is literally not meant for a table. This is for a kitchen countertop, okay? So this thing weighs a ton. Yeah, seriously, fun times. Okay guys, I'm gonna go build it now, so you will see it finished in 3, 2, 1. Let me know what you think down below. I think it looks pretty killer in this room. Definitely fills it out in terms of another color, another contrasty color. I was gonna do a white computer desk here, but I was looking online and I said to myself, man, I think I'm gonna do it this way instead. And I can have a lot of desk space here, in terms of having 3 computer monitors. So actually, let me go ahead and put this guy up. Wow. Surprising I can carry this with one hand and hold the camera at the same time. Okay, there is my triple monitor stand. You guys can tell by how long this table is. It looks, oh man, I think it looks good. I don't know, let me know what you guys think. Oh, I gotta put Space Goat's computer down here. Okay, so here's Space Goat's computer. I think it's gonna look so sick here. Look at that, look at this little thing. Isn't that so cool? I still can't believe he sent me this. Okay, so maybe some of you guys may be wondering how I have this desk made and stuff. And you know, I followed a couple YouTube videos online, and honestly, it's pretty easy. I just have these resting Ikea legs here. Link in the description so you guys can know what I'm talking about. But then I have this metal bar here, which I had to drill some holes right here, as you guys can see. And it's just a bar that goes in the middle. And the reason for that is just so that there's no sagging going on, because this desk is pretty long. Well, it's not a desk. This is a kitchen countertop. There's no filler or anything inside. This is just like straight wood. And yeah, I think it looks good. Let me know what you guys think down below. I totally forgot to put in my cable organizer, but that's gonna go, I'm not sure, this side or this side. I'm gonna have to figure out my computer situation. Most likely, the computer is gonna go on this side, and then I will have 3 monitors. Hopefully my monitor stand will work for the 27-inch in the middle and 2 24s that are gonna be vertical. All right, and I'm gonna have to go and buy a huge mouse pad of some sort over here. And I don't know if I need to like stain this or finish it or something, but it feels like it's finished already by Ikea. I think it looks pretty good already. It seems like it's finished. All right guys, so if you guys made it to the end of the video, please let me know some of your thoughts on a chair that I can buy. I know some people are probably gonna say buy the Herman Miller Embody chair, but you know what guys, I don't wanna spend money like $1,000 plus on a chair. I'm probably thinking of like some type of office chair of some sort, whether it's from Ikea or maybe one of those like gaming chairs, like I forgot the name, but I'll put a picture here. There's a bunch of options online. Let me know what you guys think of a chair that I can put here. So let me know your guys' thoughts, and I can't wait to put in the microphone and my 10 gigabit network switch, and I have to run this network cable going upstairs through the basement attic. I'll do that in another video. I'm pretty tired today. I had to build this table, move it down here and stuff. Oh yeah, there's one quick thing I may have an issue and I'm kind of worried about, is that if these legs are not strong enough for this table, once I put on monitors, computers, what have you, I do kind of want to try to keep this minimalistic style. So these legs are probably going to be fine, even though they're not like bolted in right now. It's pretty stuck here, as you guys can see. I think as I add more stuff on the table, it's going to be more planted. Now, lastly, I do want to get more tables on this side and on this side over here. Okay, let me know your guys' thoughts on what I should do over here and over here. I am thinking of maybe purchasing white tables on this side and white tables on this side. Just having tables all around so that I have enough table space to do, you know, GPU projects, FPGA projects, ASIC projects potentially. Actually, I won't have enough power in this room to run ASICs. So probably FPGAs or GPUs will be in this room, and I'll be doing ASICs most likely outside in my main location. Oh, you know what? Let's do a fun thing. I'm gonna go get a power cable. Be right back. Okay, here we go. Let's turn on Space Goat's computer. Yeah. Oh, that is so sick. That is so awesome. How does that look, guys, on this walnut table? I think the RGB is pretty cool. Space Goats, still can't believe you sent me this, man. I am just in shock. Okay, I need to figure out the monitors. I'm gonna order some monitors and stuff. Got my huge mouse pad. I already have a keyboard and mouse. Yeah, I think this is looking good, guys. Okay, I need to get internet in here. I need to do some more stuff, so that'll be in another video. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Please let me know what you think of my new desk and how I have it placed. If you think it should go somewhere else, let me know down below. Oh man, I'm really starting to really love this room. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching. Have a good one, and peace out.